Okay, here's the first stop on our little mini train tour of Frigiliana. The little train is really cool. And we're just making our way to the old town, Frigiliana. They're known for a lot of stuff here. They grow lots of fruits and vegetables. And they've had some serious wars here, battles during the Crusades. Let's hear what the guide's got to say.
Later was built this house on the mountain. That's the name is Maquinilla. That's water is. Take the water from the water channel to move the rock to the straight sugar cane to go to use. Then the last house we see two channels. To the left, the big one is coming the water to the agriculture, and to the right of which the small one is coming the use of the sugar cane.
That's an aqueduct right there that's been bringing in water for 900 years.
But the factory is still working today. It's more than 300 years making sugarcane honey. But now here we don't grow more sugarcane. Now we buy the use of the sugarcane to Panama, and with that we do only the last process. Oh, you see this mountain here to the right?
And you get find out to this one with the corner to the right, somebody is a restaurant. We come to the bar, one main school is a tourist office information at the town hall. In front of us is an Intelligent, the big mansion with palace, a factory, behind the mills, the water channel. And to the left-hand side is the old town. The Morris Street is the most beautiful place in our village, but you must visit walking.
Alright, we gotta say Frigiliana is not really disappointing. It's up to the hype. Check out, you can see the ocean from here. I didn't realize that, but there's the ocean. Frigiliana's beautiful. We haven't even made it to the main old part yet.
It's so pretty.
It is beautiful. There are caves, sugarcane factories, all kinds of fruits being grown. Beautiful. And a little trolley we just rode around on. Now to the old city. Okay, we're still walking upward. Do we take the straight uphill route, or do we take the not so harsh route? At least the one uphill was in the sun. We'll see what's up this way. Looks like there's a lot more. More pretty shops and more pretty views around every corner. Oh, there's just some honey. Kimberly loves these bikes covered in plants all the time. Seems like every touristy little town or village has an old crusty bicycle covered in plants somewhere. It's the new thing. We got local figs, raisins, sunflower seeds. I'm not sure what this is. Peanuts, cookies, cheeses, lots of cheeses to sample. We have almost walked this town to death. We found a nice little homemade snacks and cheese and wine shop, and now I've got a nice little plastic disposable bottle full of homemade sweet wine. So it makes the stroll through town very nice. Just a beautiful place, every little street and every little corner. Very nice. Looks like we can see in the church. Let's go check it out. I got that. Love it. Oh yeah. We're on the return stroll now. It's a loop. We're on the second half returning back. I think it takes a good 2 or 3 hours to walk through the whole city if you're going to stop and check a few things out. It's very hilly. I think we're the only people that come to this town that's under 70 as well. This area up here is all housing. There's no grocery stores and restaurants. It's just people's homes. They love their plants, don't they? Jade tree, yes. Tons of jade trees. Crowns of thorns. I don't even know what a lot of them are, but they're really cool. Very fun to just get lost in these little streets. Check out these little tiny little doors. Look at that. It's like a little, it's like an elf house. I love it.
This one especially.
Yeah, it's that purple color even. Wow. Everywhere you look. Okay, catch you in a minute. Every turn, every nook and cranny's got a pretty spot. Yep. I love the door knockers. Great big hands made of bronze. Sounds a little brutal. This is the first day it's that 60 degrees has felt like 80. And I'm not sure why. The temperature has been basically the same every day, but some days feel hot and some don't. Okay, our walking tour of Frigiliana concludes as we are back where we started, in the main central part. It's one of your only views of the ocean from up to here. Really cool spot.
Bienvenidos Frigiliana.
Yeah. We've checked it all out, so it's time to head back. It really is awesome. Every time I get ready to leave, we find a neat little overlook spot. This little spot has got all the restaurants on it. It's in the very center part of town. There's Kimberly. Really a cool spot. And we got a little bit of a trek back to the car, so we're going to start making that. It's a great little overlook spot, isn't it?